So here's to you and your pink hat and your checker jacket that you have half on. And you've got hair and you've got legs and you can shuffle on the broken glass. Oh yeah, real nice stuff. You creaked the wood at the end there too.
Green juice.
Okay.
We're running late.
We're early.
It's 5.
Here we see the sleeping doors.
Hi guys.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You're looking so handsome and beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yes.
I just took a little nappy poo.
Lucky.
We've driven 3.5 hours from Santa Monica. We made a little stop in Morro Bay at this little state park called Montana de Oro Bluff Trail. We're not quite at Big Sur yet, but we're gonna work our way up the coast and share with you guys all of the stops that we make along the way. It's a little too overcast. So we're gonna play our favorite road trip game, and it's called Catchphrase.
This is the person that makes stuff out of cowhide. What is the cowhide called when you wear it as clothing?
Leather.
And then that person is?
Leatherman.
No, just a one word.
Leathersmith.
No, just you're there. Just one word.
Leather.
Just do it. Yeah, perfect.
What?
Okay, these are in the sky. They're made. They rain on you sometimes.
Clouds.
Oh. And we're waving. Whoa. Mama says. Truffle is the most overrated, expensive bullshit out there.
No, dude.
I don't care. I'll argue. I'll take this to the grave. It's the most overrated bullshit flavor on the market.
These are the best.
Book it right now.
These are the best chips.
Put it on my tombstone.
You're getting too angry.
Dun 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 in a trash can.
Okay, you guys, Garrett turned on the drone and went to go fly it, and then a bunch of seagulls started chasing after it, and then he lost signal. I think seagulls have our drone. Well, this is fun. I always forget to record moments like these when you're in full panic. Yeah, I thought we lost
We got the drone. The drone's fine. Everything's fine now. We're all fine now here. How are you? Bless you. Man, I thought you knew it all. Oh, no, no, no. I'm a rocket man, burning on the street on a bed at all.
I can't post this. You're gonna give me copyright claims on YouTube.
Boy, it's too close to Elton John
Yeah,
singing.
too close. First castle, baby.
Oh, there it is. Look at this view.
Not bad for a front yard, huh? Yeah.
When was the last time someone played a game here?
That would have been in 2017. Yeah, I was one of the people that played on these tables.
That's actually
So,
not that long ago.
right.
We're at Elephant Seal Beach. It's literally just right down the street, the PCH from Hearst Castle. So
I gotta take my hat off.
we're gonna go check out some elephant seals, and I'm gonna put on my coat because it's freezing. I got some good shots, but where are you?
Over there. Near the ocean.
Near the ocean. Did you get the seals?
telling me I'm not supposed to be having the Diet Dr. Pepper.
It's an Irish Jamaican accent. That's what it is. You have a slightly Irish, slightly Jamaican.
These kids always be after me Lucky Charms.
This is, no, I don't like it.
This is no.
Okay, this is like when you have a big truck, you have what kind of...
Small penis.
What kind of thing that is under the hood?
Really small balls.
What kind of thing is under the hood?
You got horsepower.
Like a big
You got a
truck.
hammy engine.
It's a, what kind? What kind?
Hammy.
No. It runs on like...
Diesel engine.
Yes. Okay, you gotta change the accent.
What kind would you like?
Okay, this is my...
This is your spray.
What is fingerling?
Fingerling. Those are potatoes. I got fingerling potatoes. Oh, you weren't even recording.
I'm recording. McWay is just like a scenic viewpoint where you can see a waterfall. You can't really hike down to it. The beach is closed.
Secret tunnel?
There used to be a beach, but the beach is apparently closed. So we're just gonna go check it out, get some footage for you guys, talk about it, and on to our next stop. I'm right like 90.
Well, now is one of those 10% times where you're wrong about the percentage you are right.
What am I wrong about?
All kinds of stuff. Where the path was, free parking back there.
We were gonna park over there and I told you to keep going.
The ranger almost gave us a ticket.
Felt like there was gonna be parking. There was parking.
It's real riveting stuff.
We're at Partington Cove.
Okay, this is us laughing after that. Just in case. We are laughing. We're not fighting down a hill.
Partington Cove.
Partington Cove.
Decided that we need some drinks.
I love ya.
I love you too. I'm gonna give you all the compliments.
I deserve
all the
them.
time. And apparently this place, there's like only like 2 places to eat at, but this place has a very scenic view. It's a little on the pricier end as far as meals go, but apparently you're paying for the view.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
We are on our way to Pfeiffer, the Peace Island.
I think it's Pfeiffer.
Pfeiffer Beach?
I think it's Biatch.
Pfeiffer.
No, it's Biatch.
Pfeiffer State Beach.
Pfeiffer State State Biatch.
We just got done with dinner. I put on a new outfit because you have to put on new outfits
Hey, tell 'em about
to
the
make
drive.
it look like it's a different day, you
Tell them
know?
about this drive, by the way.
Oh, they said the drive was like kind of sketchy.
It's a paved
It's
road.
a paved. And let's see what this looks like. Garrett's listening, vibing out to his Pandora playlist right now.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut shapes, feeling the beat till my feet hurt. I call it housework. Cause it's like work.
The last 12
What you gonna
hours.
do? I'm gonna
Last
cut
12
shapes,
hours,
feeling
my
the beat
friends.
till my face hurts. They call it 12 hours. Stop it.
Put Pfeiffer Beach.
Pfeiffer Beach was so tight.
Yeah, that's definitely my favorite spot.
I don't think anyone even was close to that.
No. Because all the other places that in Big Sur, like, it's just scenic. Like, you can't really go down to the sand. A lot of the trails are closed, this and that. But Pfeiffer Beach, there's a $12 parking fee. We were only here for like 40 minutes, and it was still worth it.
Amazing.
Amazing.
It was really good.
I absolutely loved it. If you can spend a day here, like coming during the day.
Of all the things, it's worth the most time.
Yeah, I would recommend carving out like a couple hours here. I think it's so beautiful. It like reminded me of a better version of, what's the Malibu one?
The Count of
Not Madagascar.
Madagascar. No, Monte Carlo.
No.
Las
It's
Cucarachas.
like the beach where all the Instagram people go.
Los Siones.
What is it called? Okay,
La Cabana.
We're never gonna get it.
Maracas.
We are at our last stop
It is the bridge.
of the day. Bixby Creek Bridge. And
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
It is in a quarter
And my
mile.
Google Maps is still working right now.
Always be the always alone. You will always be the always alone.
All right, guys, that concludes our day one road trip through Big Sur. Tomorrow, we're gonna be staying in Carmel, checking out Carmel. Hey, I'm drinking that water too.
It's the end of it.
I just can't with you. I just can't. Wow. Okay, we're out of water now.
Here's a whole nother bottle of water, you liar.
Because I bought the water.
There's 2 waters.
I bought the
one
water.
for you
I
and one
bought
for
it.
who
I
else?
bought the water.
One for me and one for me.
Okay, anyways, you love me. The internet's gonna think
Apparently I love you
otherwise.
more than me because I'm not even deserving of water.
Okay, so I definitely recommend Bixby Bridge. It's literally, you just pull off the side of the road and it's right here and it's beautiful. We're done vlogging today. Tomorrow's a new day. We'll show you in Carmel tomorrow. Over and out.